Need a bit of inspiration for your digital signs in your hotel? We've got you covered. Start by greeting guests with welcome signs at the entrance. Make them feel accepted and appreciated. This is your chance to showcase your facility and immediately impress guests with media-rich content. Use digital signs to display useful information, such as your hotel restaurant opening hours, the weather forecast, or local attractions for your guests. Show off all the services you offer and upsell amenities. Use video to immerse and entice guests into the experience your hotel offers. Or do you have seasonal and time-sensitive offers? Show them off on digital signs and boost sales. Does your hotel host events throughout the year? Create eye-catching playlists with images, videos, and information, and display these screens in high-traffic areas to increase engagement. Show us what you've done with your digital signs to be featured on our social media.